Hey everybody, welcome to Planetary Awareness. We're here on my organic farm, which is really just my garden I have fun with, me and my friends, planting all kinds of goodness here. We just had a good rain. We got all kinds of corn, melons, all throughout this piece of land with corn, beans, squash, peppers galore, tomatoes, and all kinds of herbs in here as well. Elderberry doing really well. Just thought I'd give you a little update. We've been quite busy, and I wanted to announce something too, that I will be attending once again the Canada Fruit Festival and emceeing the event, at least part of it, performing, doing sound healing, doing ajna light sessions. This is up in British Columbia in August, so I hope to see you there. Anyway, the figs are doing well. We potted a whole bunch of them up here and put a bunch in the ground as well. But yeah, we've just been super busy, also enjoying some harvests here. All kinds of blueberries, strawberries, currants, sugar snap peas, lettuces, tons and tons of herbs. Sunflowers are coming up here nicely. Peach trees, the young ones are flourishing. So we have like 10 rows of all different kinds of heirloom tomatoes, peppers, basils, lemon basil, lime basil, cinnamon basil, dill, doing very well, parsley, mint, nasturtiums, and kale, and goji berries are starting to flower. We got to get these stakes up today as these tomatoes are getting bigger. Garlic we'll be harvesting very soon. Beets we'll be harvesting very soon. Swiss chard. We got Brussels sprouts, broccolis, cauliflowers. The gooseberries will be ready to pick. That's just one branch, completely loaded. Strawberries are still going strong in some areas. I mean, they're just super abundant. So incredible. The pluot trees doing really well. Asian pears doing well. More corn, beans, squash. You can see the flowers over there. Just really happy with what we got growing on this year. I mean, watermelons are starting to really blow up. I mean, we just put these in the ground and they're already about to flower. Some of the melons are flowering over there, actually. More corn over here. Got nice nectarine harvest. You know, we do spray it with like an organic clay to keep certain pests out. There's certain ones that'll come and bore into them and lay their eggs, and we don't want none of that. These little alpine strawberries, just super delicious, like candy. Tastes like Smarties actually. But yeah, this is really coming along. It's just gonna get better and better every year as we keep the wood chips going. And so thanks everybody for your support and believing in this project, and definitely received some help from some people coming out here. But yeah, if you guys are looking for something to really open up your life into the health food scene, into the organic lifestyle, definitely check out the Canada Fruit Festival. It's going to be August 9th through the 13th up in British Columbia, the beautiful Lake Okanagan. And it's going to be incredible fruits, some of the best peaches and apricots and cherries and watermelons and all kinds of goodies, and great speakers from around the world, and some big YouTube stars and amazing musical performances. And I'll be doing the sound healing and meditations and yoga and just amazing people to connect with. So definitely check out the Canada Fruit Fest. And I want to put a song here that I wrote called Ginger Juice. My stage name is Organic Man, and you can check me out at the Canada Fruit Fest. All right, guys, take care. Ginger juice, I'm giving my talk about superfoods. I got these ginger roots, man produce. You see me chewing up a mom's organic, where I buy the seeds that are planted. Watch them sprout, you know what I'm about. Open your mouth and taste that cacao. Be like, wow, let's check this out. Time to mix it up, just come together, get that cup. Try everything in this grow your health scene. Help yourself to the smooth that is green. It's got the spinach, it's got the pigments. We're in the know, but no longer eating it. Coming through my crew to eat the berries that are blue. It's Organic Man to the rescue. Rolling down the streets, eating vegetables, sipping on ginger juice, yeah. Laid back with my mind on my noni on my mind. Rolling down the streets, eating vegetables, sipping on ginger juice, yeah. Laid back with my mind on my noni on my mind. It's official, we're drinking holy basil for shiz on my nizzle. It's holy basil, you got fat health, let's turn the table. Spin your mind like a trader, cause I'm able to bring you the best superfoods ever. Put those fruits in a blender, and remember, anything is possible. Go over any obstacle. You'll see me preaching the organic gospel. An apostle of fruits that are tropical. I'm an animal for the botanical. You can't understand my flow unless you get with Organic Man.